Hello, in this video I will show you how to lock your secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, so the first issue that some people may have is that when they open the secure folder, even though they set up the pattern, for example, or they're using their finger to unlock, the secure folder doesn't lock and just they're let inside without authenticating their data. So first, find your secure folder. For example, I have mine here. Mine is set up correctly, so I need to unlock it. And here, press this little three dots right here. Press settings, and here make sure that you have some type of lock type set up. And this is really important. Change this option, auto lock secure folder. This is the most likely the cause of your issues. And here you can choose between each time I leave an app, when screen turns off, after 30 minutes, stuff like that. Choose one that is to your liking. And now, as you can see, each time I leave the secure folder or the app in it, I will need to manually unlock the folder. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.